are you today? We have such exciting news. Today's a very big day because we are cutting holes. Cutting holes in the side of BertyLoo. Ah! What are we doing? We don't know. No, we know. So what we're doing is we are installing the water inlet and installing the tankless water heater. So let's get to it.
Hose here, and then I can come down here, drop down here and in. So it doesn't matter where it's at.
All under bed and or floor.
Yeah, and it doesn't have to be way up here.
Yeah.
I could make it come here and drop right down to the green bar. Right here, boom. And run across.
And that's about where my floor is going to be for the bed.
Here, well, it's going to be here.
Well, above that, yeah. So you got all that room.
Yeah, I got all this. Yeah.
Beautiful. Measuring stuff out, getting ready to cut some holes in the walls. It's always so scary and somewhat exciting to cut holes in the walls. But first we have to take out the stop sign. It's got to go. It's time.
Right in here.
Stop signs out.
I should go.
Ah!
Schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had enough. Cause we're schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had enough.
Let's have the inlet, please. This see if it fits in. I mean, it fits perfectly. Okay, I think that looks good. Oh my God, the bus is gonna look so good like this. Oh my God.
Okay, Keith, what are we doing?
Okay, well, we have our hole cut for the inlet for the water. Now we're going to prepare the inlet for the installation from the outside of the bus. And what we need to do is we need to weather strip this outside edge. So what we're going to do is use, it's a weather strip and caulk, indoor, outdoor. It's supposed to work pretty good. And we're going to put it around the outside edge. Looks like I only need 4 strips. Okay, now that we have the butyl tape all on the back side, this is the contact point between the inlet and the body of the bus, and we're going to have a nice good seal around that. So we'll check and see if the paint is dry, and let's go check it out. Here it is. Well, there it is. Looks like it belongs there, huh? Okay, now all I have to do is screw it down. I got self-threading screws, and I'll have that done in just a minute.
Back behind it. It's blowing that way. So it's blowing it away from us. Hopefully there's not many houses, but they're doing evacuations. It's got to be something. It's minutes after, not even 2 minutes since I just did that live video, and wind has changed. And there is occasionally ashes floating down on top of us. So that's got me a little concerned, but I'll keep you posted. We got lots of stuff coming down on top of us. All right.
Okay, so now that we've got the hole cut for the inlet on the water. Now it's time to cut the hole for the tankless water heater. It's going to go right over here. Right here in the wall. This is going to be part of the bathroom. This will be the corner of the kitchen. So this is where we're going to put it. Side band off. Now I can cut out my 12-inch hole for the tankless water heater.
It's gorgeous. So I'll have that. Water inlet. Close up this hole.
And it really isn't much pipe at all.
The water heater is pretty much installed. Just gotta pull it back out, spray paint, and then lock her in. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then he's gotta find some of, let me show you. We gotta find a piece where it has end caps like this that we can cut and add to here and here so it will look like it's always been there. Actually, we need a piece just like that. Do you have a piece like that you can spare? Because we need it. It just screws right on out. 6 screws, comes right off. If you don't need it, we'd love it.
You know a man got shot today. Well, he was not obeying. They killed him while he stood with open arms. Oh, Mr. Wilson, I wish you had yours. There, the raging captive, you're guessing dreams. Do you know what the fuck this means? They're afraid that we're aware that this. Do you know a woman firmly stood her ground? For simply standing there, they dragged her to that ground. They said, you shut up, bitch, don't you fucking move. Now our mind is stronger, but our body's grows.
All the weather strips are still in place.
Do you know what the fuck this means? They're afraid that we're aware that this. You know they'll be you recording what goes on. Afraid that you might go and show someone. Well then they'll see. This war's bad ways against you and me. 'Cause they are the written captives to guessing dreams. Do you know what the fuck this means? They're afraid that we're aware that they're afraid. I do declare the world does fair almost a lost air. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
It's painting the roof day. Ooh, excellent. We are so happy that we are finally at this step. We've probably could have or should have done it a while ago, but we've been putting it off and putting it off because it really wasn't needed too much yet. But we're at that point where pretty much nothing else to do but to paint the roof before we go inside and start framing. And we don't have the wood yet, so we do have this with the Henry's. It's not Henry's Tropical. I don't know what it's called, but it is Henry's. I know that. So I will pull it out.
Henry's, but it is Henry's.
It is Henry's, but it's not Henry's Tropical. It's Henry's something else, environment something, I don't know. When we pull it out, we'll check that out and update you.
Are you there to watch me fall off the roof so you can put it on America's Funniest?
Paint marks on the face and all that.
The new YouTube funny? As long as it goes viral. What's that? You know it.
As you can see, Keith is back there putting our first coat of Henry's Enviro-White. It's supposed to save up to $4,800 in cooling costs a year. So it's not Henry's Tropical, but I'm pretty sure it does the same thing. So it's for metal roofs and other types. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be good. Good morning, everyone. Coming at ya. It's day 2 of roof painting. And, you know, it's crazy how a fresh coat of paint can just make everything seem just so much better. This is awesome. We're going to put coat 3 and 4 on just to try to use as much of this 5-gallon bucket that we have. And, yeah, so pretty excited, and it's another beautiful day in sunny San Diego, lakeside to be exact, and we're just gonna spend the day painting. Got 2 more coats to put on, this one and then 1 more, and then a little more touch up with some brush work, and then we're gonna do some planning on framing out some walls, go get some wood, and start doing some interior work. Love it. It's such a wonderful day. All right, see you soon. Keep following. Thank you for following, and we'll give you an update later. Bye.
What a mess. I hate bonding.
So we've got a couple of questions about whether or not we have removed the windows behind the foam board. Door 1, door 2. Now just the handles have to be added.
What do you think?